Hello friends, if you didn't subscribe my channel, do now and click the bell icon.
Hi Nikki.
Hi, can you tell me some interesting facts?
Yeah, sure.
Friends, sleeping with your doors closed will help you protect from smoke and toxic fume in the event of a fire. And sleeping in a cold room can help you slim down. Just a single month of sleeping in 66 degrees room helped increase fat burning ability by as much as 10% according to the research from Commonwealth University. Friends, you will yawn more often than you eat breakfast. Over the course of a lifetime, you will yawn approximately 250,000 times, according to one expert on the subject. If you live to 70, that's about to 10 yawns per day. Friends, if you close your eyes in a completely dark room, when you open them, the color you see is called Eigengra, which means intrinsic grey. It's the shade of a dark grey people see when there's no light.
The smell after it rains does too. It's called petrichor. It comes from an oil plant's exude that dries on the ground. When it rains, the oil combines with a byproduct from a type of bacteria to produce the smell. Friends, there are more life forms on your body than people on Earth. You are a planet teeming with microorganisms. Trillions of them inhabit your body. In fact, 90% of cells in our body are actually composed by microorganisms. Friends, do you know the Exorcist film set was haunted? Based on the book by William Peter Blatty, The Exorcist, released in 1973. Friends, there's a mental phenomenon that causes you to see monsters in mirrors called Toxler effect and discovered as long ago as 1804. It causes those who experience it to think they see something fearsome in the mirror just on the periphery on their vision, whether they see Bloody Mary 3 times or not. Friends, there's a brewery in Japan that makes beer from elephant dung. The brewery Skandgalen produces a beer called Yonkonokuru, made with coffee beans that have passed through an elephant. It's a huge hit according to Fox News. Friends, do you know snow is a terrible way to stay hydrated? When it comes to snow, it's water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. It requires a lot of energy for your body to convert something from a solid to a liquid, and while snow will provide a tiny amount of hydration, it will also lower your body temperature in the process, making you more prone to hypothermia. Friends, blue cheese can change your dreams. Having strange dreams, it's time to skip the blue cheese on your salad. According to research from the British Cheese Board, eating blue cheese is particularly associated with vivid dreams. Friends, do you want more interesting facts? Then please like, share and subscribe to Cartoon Craft Tube and comment me if you want any interesting facts about anything.